Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete a channel on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete the channel on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone, and your channel will be available at the top where just above your contacts on Telegram. Now in order to delete your channel on Telegram, first open the channel which you want to delete. You must be the admin of that channel. And with that being said, guys, after opening the channel which you want to delete on Telegram, you can see the name of that channel at the top of the screen. Tap on that name of the channel, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the channel settings option available for us just below the administrators. Tap on channel settings, and over here if you scroll down you can find the delete channel option available for us. Tap on that delete channel, and you can see delete for all subscribers. Also, if you want to delete it, tap on it and tap on the delete channel option over here, and that channel will be deleted over here on moment. And the channel has been deleted on Telegram. And guys, this is how to delete a channel on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.